recording. Yay! Yay, lunchroom and sandwich line. When the food is no longer edible. Ew. Seriously, that is the biggest pile of Taco Mac I've ever seen, and I think it's gross.
It's because it's Taco Mac, so it's a big house, no one's eating it.
True that.
Bacon.
No! No! Earthquake! The poor car is dead! It died! Aww. Poor car. Poor car. Oh! It's all like screwy.
Oh my gosh. Tomorrow's Friday, and tomorrow's April Fool's Day, and we still don't have a prank yet.
We need a prank.
We could play on snow. John's on a bad day.
Hi, other ducks. You guys are pretty. But I don't have any food for you today. And these guys are actually coming up, and I don't have food. So I'll look at you guys instead.
YouTube world. Look, see the duckies now. For future reference, the white one is Pig, and the other one is Coco.
Yes. They're coming!
Yeah, they're gonna eat you!
Nah. So they would eat food.
You should make a song like that, like, I'm green,
Hi, duckies! Come here, duckies!
No, they're not gonna come.
Jerky butt ducks.
Quack, 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 quack.
Quack, 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 quack. There's a pretty mallard. They're Mr. and Mrs. Mallard. That's their name. I didn't see any geese that you can take videos of. We had to take pictures of the piles and piles of goose poo.
We do.
Herd the ducks! Herd the ducks, herd the ducks, herd the ducks, herd the ducks, herd the ducks. I think that's just fun.
Is there a table here?
What do you mean?
Look at it. Step up on it.
That could be what they call fairy rings.
What's that?
It's where like moss and mold and fungus and stuff grows in a ring and nobody knows why. So and people used to believe that it was from fairies back in the medieval times.
We have fairies on our campus.
Fairies! See? Piles and piles of goose poo. Right there. Everywhere on the walk. More piles and piles of goose poo.
Most of it's up there, though.
Yeah, most of it's up at that end because that's where the geese are. By the pond.
Oh, there's the old people.
There's where the old people live, like right beside where we live, which is right there. It's kind of disconcerting because we got old people right beside us. Yes.
Okay, so this is Heritage Hall. Dorm.
It used to be a place for old people.
Yes.
But the old people left and went over there. We kicked them out. This is the great room. It's very great.
And roomy.
And roomy, yes. This is where me and Lizzie live. Although technically this isn't my wing.
Yeah, you're just always over here.
But I don't live in my own room anymore. I live in Lizzie's room. It's all good. Bear on the door. It doesn't even have a city name anymore.
Sticker that we had to put there.
Yes, I stuck that sticker there. I have left my mark. And here too. You can't forget the sticker right here.